It's the ShortCut from Dashboard. It's half as long as our full-size bench. But let's see what it can do in the extreme. You see the floor here is very uneven, so it does require you to adjust the feet. But that's a great feature to be able to accommodate uneven terrain. Let's check the length. Outside to outside, 78.5 inches, which is 1995 millimeters. I'll put a track star on each end. Just leave that loose. Let's see how long it is now. I have 90 inches, or 2287 millimeters. And we'll just put a couple track stars on here for fun. Now those numbers might seem impressive, but there's one more card to play, which is the Wingman. We can just pop this on to a track star to make it significantly longer. Now I've already got one on the other end, and it just works like this. We have some holes in the track star that allow you to just pop this in here like so, and then we'll check to see what the measurement comes out to be after that. So these are self-aligning with the center slot, or actually either of these slots. So there's that. Now I'm just going to adjust the height so this is in plane with the tabletop, because you can do that. And then I'll do the alignment of the track stars. Okay, so I have used the USBs on the track stars to pull the rail on these other track stars into alignment with the table. So we skip that step for the presentation, and we'll think about maximum length of rip in this configuration. So if you think of your spiral dog as needing to be fully inside of this slot, but close to the end, same thing on the other end. I can get a piece that is 98.5 inches, which is 2,503 millimeters. So that's a long cut. The question is really how wide your piece is. Okay, so I put a track star here and a track star here. Gives me more effective surface. So outside to outside, that is 36 inches, which is 914 millimeters. So we have more support for a larger piece. You can also put the parallel guides on these track stars to get a pretty wide reference. You can set stops pretty wide. Now, the other thing you can do is, if you want, get a couple more wingmen, put one here and one here, that pushes you back even farther. So you could do a lot with a ShortCut.